Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to roast vegan fish fillet with turmeric powder. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Vegetarian fish is a fish-like food made from plant-based ingredients, usually made from soy products, gluten, konjac, etc. Vegetarian fish can be easily bought in supermarkets and needs to be defrosted before being cut into pieces. The vegetarian fish comes in a whole piece. Just cut it into the required parts. Sliced vegetarian fish. Vegetarian fish fillet coated with turmeric powder on both sides. Baking pan cover with aluminium foil. Brush a layer of cooking oil and place vegetarian fish on top. Leave a gap in between each slices. Drizzle cooking oil on top. Send to air fryer and let's air fryer vegetarian fish. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Then flip fish slices and bake at the same temperature for another 10 minutes. Turmeric vegetarian fish fillet is done. Smells so good. Wow! Look at that golden crunch vegetarian fish fillet. It's so appetizing. This turmeric vegetarian fish fillet tastes so good. The taste of grilled vegetarian fish fillets varies depending on the ingredients and seasoning, but they generally have the following characteristics. After being baked, the skin is usually crispy, similar to the skin of grilled fish. The inside texture is soft, similar to tofu or gluten, depending on the ingredients used. Compared with real fish, vegetarian fish fillets are usually lighter and less oily, suitable for a healthy diet. Overall, grilled vegetarian fish fillets are delicious and rich in taste, suitable for vegetarians or those who want to try new flavors. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Nutritional highlights of vegetarian fish: high protein and low fat. The main raw materials such as soybeans and gluten are rich in plant protein and do not contain cholesterol, which is suitable for fitness or people with 3 highs. Rich in dietary fiber, ingredients such as konjac and whole wheat gluten can promote intestinal health and have a strong sense of fullness. B12. Compared with real fish, vegetarian fish has lower calories and is suitable for fat loss and carb control. Enhanced nutrition. Some products will add calcium, vitamin B12, etc. to make up for the nutrients that vegetarians are prone to lack. Interesting cold knowledge: vegetarian fish originated from the vegetarian culture of Chinese temples. The earliest tofu was carved into a fish shape, which meant abundance every year. Even monks are addicted to fish. 1 approximately equals 7,500. The carbon emissions of vegetarian fish production are much lower than real fish. Eating 1 kilogram of vegetarian fish approximately equals saving 7,500 liters of water. Summary: vegetarian fish is not only a plant-based fish substitute, but also a nutritious plus creative plus environmentally friendly superfood. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is the golden supporting role of curry, with a unique taste and full of exotic flavor. The golden color of turmeric powder comes from curcumin, which is a natural dye. Even curry is gilded with it. In Indian Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric powder is called the golden spice, which can resist inflammation and oxidation, and can be called the health boss in the spice world. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.